everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Go Wickless with Ross. I am so excited to share this incredible news with you today because it is a Scentsy first and I'm seriously bursting with excitement. So what is it about? It's about the chance to earn a starter kit for free. Let me take a quick step back. Many of you in the past have come to me and said, you know, Ross, I've been thinking about joining Scentsy, but the $99 starter kit is just not quite within my budget. Then guess what? Now we have a way for you to earn that kit for free. So let me start by showing you our reward chart. Take a good look at it. So as you can see, I'm actually going to do the video this way, so hopefully you kind of can see what I'm talking about. So how does this work? Well, all you have to do is host a party and make it qualified. What does that mean? It means that the only thing you have to do is sell a minimum of $200, which, by the way, is super easy to do with Scentsy. You're only going to need really like 4 to 5 people buying, you know, like $30–40 worth of stuff. That is super easy to do with Scentsy. And then that's it. Your party is already qualified. Well, again, take a look at the chart. The $200 qualifying party will give you $20 in free Scentsy and 1 item half off. Well, now you have the chance to earn a $59 starter kit for free. Okay, so how does that work? You can now apply your host rewards towards that $59 starter kit. So let's do a little bit of math. What is 59 minus 20? That is, I'm not good at math, 39, right? So now you're only paying $39 for your starter kit. But don't forget, you have 1 item half off that you earn with that qualifying party. So guess what? You now get to pick whichever item half off you like and customize your starter kit. How cool is that? Here is the better news yet. An average Scentsy party is between $400 and $500. So again, let's do a little bit of math and keep your eyes glued on this chart. So a $400 party will give you $40 in free Scentsy and 2 item half off. So what's 59 minus 40? 19. So now you're only paying $19 for your essential kit and you get to pick 2 item half off to customize it whichever way you want it. Well, remember I said the average party is between $400 and $500. So let's take a look and see what a $500 party will give you. Take a really close look to it. So a $500 party will actually give you $75 in free Scentsy and 3 item half off. Guys, that means that kit, that $59 kit is free. And you get $16 additional dollar in free credit that you can use and then just add to your starter kit. Just buy whichever item you like and add it to your starter kit. And you have the 3 additional items, half off items that you can pick and add to your starter kit. This is huge, you guys. This is such a great opportunity and I cannot wait to start booking those parties with you. So if you are interested and Scentsy has been in the back of your mind for a while, this is your chance. Let's book those parties and earn that free starter kit so that you can start your amazing Scentsy journey. And I certainly would love to be there to help you out throughout. So if you have any question, put your comments below. Email me at scentsational2011@yahoo.com or just find me on Facebook at Rosella Flick Wickless Candles so that we can chat. I hope to hear from you really soon. Have a fantastic day and we'll talk soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.